Hello and welcome back. And guess what? I forgot to record an intro of me opening the box. I'm just gonna jump right into the products. And this is part of my Ipsy subscription box. And I end up getting the Camino Mega Moisturizing Shampoo by Drunk Elephant. It is clean ingredients, cruelty free. And one of the claims is that it helps to moisturize, deeply moisturizes your hair, adding a strength, but removes all the dirt out of the hair. Does not have any sulfates or any silicones that will weigh your hair down. So definitely I'm excited to give it a try. Next, I got the Drunk Elephant Camino Mega Moisturizer Masker. Is a deep conditioning treatment that strengthens, smooths, softens extra thirsty hair. It is good for hair that is damaged and color process. You can use it without worry about stripping the color of your hair, and it does not have any harsh surfactants or any silicones that end up weighing your hair down. So definitely excited to try this one as well. Now let me see if I can pronounce this. This is the Osea Ocean Eyes Age Defining Eye Serum. Brightens and awakens while reducing lines, dark circles, and puffiness around the eyes. I love that it has this little metal roll-up, so I'm excited to give it a try. And also it feels really nice too. Now, I personally have not heard about this makeup brand. It is called Element Beauty. This is a dual-sided liquid lipstick. The color is Santorini. On one side has the lip gloss, on the other one is a matte finish. It's more like a dusty rose. The matte color is a rusty dust, and the gloss is like a baby pink. They both are really good. The formula is amazing. I'm excited to give it a try. Last but not least, I have this beautiful eye palette. It is from Alamar Cosmetics or Alamar Beauty. Never heard about this before. And let me tell you, the packaging, it is amazing. It's so beautiful. It's very elegant in my opinion. It's simple but elegant. And I almost broke this thing because I could not figure out how to open it. So I'm going to show you real quick what it is. It just gives me a vibe like when you have one of those hand purses. That's how this feels like. It has this little lock that you can slide to the side and open or close. It's very unique. I never seen something like this. I was like mesmerized about the packaging. It is really beautiful. Not to mention the colors are very unique and pretty. To me, it just screams the Arizona colors. I don't know what it is. This is the colors that kind of like caught my attention. I would definitely do like a mini tutorial or something like that, and I will go over all the colors and the formula as well. And I'm just gonna end up this video with the t-shirt of the day by Green Day, another gift from my kiddo. He got it at Hot Topics. So with that being said, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you next time.